Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use this Lich Crystal in Grow Garden game of Roblox new Ghoul Garden update. Okay, before I show you how you can use this Lich Crystal, I'm going to show you guys how you can get this item. If you want to get this item, you can go to the Halloween market and you're going to go to the ghosty gadget right here, talk to the NPC, and then you can scroll down and you can buy the Lich Crystal from here. Okay, and if you want to use this Lich Crystal, you can tap on that and it will ask you to do something. And yeah, it's not explicit, so you need to understand what it means. And from what I'm learning, guys, to use this Lich Crystal to get Lich Pet, we need Bath and then Crow and also the Scarab Pet from the Spooky Chest, this one. Okay, and we will also need the book, and after that we can use all the items to get the Lich Pet. But to be honest, I haven't collected all the items, so yeah, I cannot use this Lich Crystal from now. So I need to collect all the items first, and then we can use the Lich Crystal to create Lich Pet. Okay, you can get the book from here, from the cosmetic shop. Okay, you need to have this book, guys, this spell book, and 3 pets, and then you can combine them all to get the Lich Pet. Okay guys, and that's how we can use the Lich Crystal in Grow Garden game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!